Welcome, savvy viewers, to a transformative episode of Wealthway. In this riveting exploration, we're embarking on a journey that delves deep into the realm of financial enlightenment. Are you ready to uncover the 10 profound secrets about money that have eluded the grasp of the middle class and the poor? Prepare yourselves, for today's narrative is not just a video, it's a masterclass in prosperity. It's an unfortunate reality that many among us face challenges in the realm of money. A report by the Pew Research Center revealed that approximately 52% of the U.S. population belongs to the middle class, often entangled in a financial web that can be difficult to escape. But what if I told you that the chains holding them back are not unbreakable? What if hidden beneath layers of misconceptions and misinformation lie the keys to financial liberation? This report isn't just a collection of statistics, it's a reflection of the financial landscape many find themselves in. Today, we're determined to shine a light on the shadows, revealing truths that can empower individuals to overcome their current financial circumstances. The secrets we're about to unveil have the potential to transform lives, rewriting stories of struggle into sagas of success. Buckle up, because Wealthway is about to guide you through a transformational odyssey, one where the mysteries of money become the foundation of your financial empire. Get ready to equip yourself with insights that transcend generations, and let's set sail on a journey towards unparalleled financial success. Let's begin our journey with secret number 1, an epiphany that transcends boundaries. Time is an invaluable treasure. Among the wealthy, time is revered as a critical asset within the domain of investments. They comprehend that the very timing of your investments shapes the trajectory of your returns. Even the modest accumulations, when judiciously invested over time, can burgeon into substantial fortunes. Remember, hesitation is the enemy. Initiate your investment expedition promptly, irrespective of the initial sum you possess. Time possesses an extraordinary ability to amplify even the most modest of ventures into substantial successes, echoing the famous proverb, "Time and tide wait for no one." The journey continues with secret number 2, an emancipating truth. Starting with scant resources is a valid gateway to financial growth. Don't let limited funds deter you from the realm of investing. Every contribution, regardless of its size, carries potential. The magic of compounding is your ally, multiplying the impact of even the humblest savings. In contrast, the poor often exhaust their earnings without foresight, yielding a cycle of perpetual scarcity. By allocating your savings strategically and allowing them to accrue interest, you chart a course towards long-term affluence. Secret number 3 casts a spotlight on a philosophy that underpins financial mastery: living below your means. The perils of extravagant spending are evident, a pathway to persistent impoverishment. In contrast, practicing budgetary restraint and astute financial choices paves a road to prosperity. The discernment to differentiate between essential and frivolous expenses is paramount. By dedicating a portion of your earnings to savings and prudent bill settlement, you anchor yourself in sound financial habits. Averting impulse spending becomes the hallmark of those who understand that authentic prosperity is nurtured through deliberate financial acumen. Let's delve into secret number 4, a revelation that challenges complacency. Idle money is a dormant opportunity. A savings account, though safe, boasts meager returns. Counterintuitively, embracing well-researched investment avenues promises substantial growth. Breathing life into your money, putting it to work, ushers in a new era of financial empowerment. Seek out avenues that champion growth and income generation, for a dynamic involvement in your finances is the bedrock of true prosperity. Secret number 5 shatters the myth that active labor is the sole fount of wealth. Hard work remains essential, yet the astute recognize the allure of passive income. Rental properties, diversified investments, and avenues like bonds, forex, fixed deposits, and cryptocurrency trading unveil the potential for perpetually flowing streams of revenue. The affluent acknowledge that, while labor brings forth immediate rewards, strategically designed income sources continue to bear fruit without cease, shaping a legacy of enduring abundance. Enter secret number 6. A revelation that underscores diversification as the key to financial fortification. Relying solely on one income source is akin to erecting a castle on shifting sands. Wealthy individuals understand this, weaving a tapestry of multiple income streams to shield against adversity. By casting a net across various revenue sources, they mitigate risks and stand resilient even in the face of uncertainties. Secret number 7 underscores the value of seeking professional financial counsel. Even the affluent recognize the role of financial advisors in crafting strategies that optimize wealth. This, despite potential costs, stands as a testament to the faith they place in financial expertise. Advisors accelerate growth trajectories and provide counsel that springs from a well of seasoned experience, rendering their involvement an investment that yields exponential returns. Secret number 8 is a clarion call to reject the allure of complacency. Pioneers of prosperity perpetually challenge the status quo, raising the bar and setting loftier goals. The affluent embody this spirit, fueled by an intrinsic drive and an unwavering commitment to scale new summits. Acknowledging that wealth demands sustained effort, they remained undeterred by challenges, turning aspirations into accomplishments. As we explore secret number 9, we enter the realm of leveraging other people's resources for exponential growth. By devising shrewd strategies, you can harness the potential of lenders and investors to catalyze remarkable returns. This approach, though demanding meticulous groundwork, serves as an established conduit to accumulate wealth. Armed with comprehensive research and a robust foundation, the risks of utilizing external funds are substantially mitigated, unlocking a path to prosperity that would otherwise remain veiled. Our journey concludes with secret number 10, a challenge to conventional wisdom. Employment is not the sole trajectory to affluence. Though steady, employment lacks the soaring potential of entrepreneurship and diverse income streams. Shattering the confines of traditional work, entrepreneurs open themselves to calculated risks, paving a path towards substantial rewards. The affluent recognize that breaking free from the fetters of employment cultivates an environment ripe for innovation, laying the groundwork for wealth that transcends limits. And there you have it, the 10 hidden secrets about money that can transform your financial journey. Remember, these insights are essential tools that the wealthy have used to navigate their paths to success. If you found this information valuable, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more insightful content. Thank you for joining us on this journey to financial empowerment, and I'll see you in the next video.